Use bandaid. Didn't even clean this room. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. We are at JW Marriott. Which is actually right across the street from the Conrad that we stayed at last time in the last video. But you know what? Before we do the room tour, I'll let you watch this. I just came into the bathroom just to see everything, and look what I found here. Ha! Use bandaid. Didn't even clean this room or this shower stall. I don't know, but that's gross. So I called them and they're gonna send somebody. But honestly, come on, Marriott, you can do better. Really, during COVID, you can do better. So I called them up, they apologized and they sent somebody somebody from housekeeping. She owned up to it. She said she had sanitized everything down, but she probably forgot to just pick up those trash. They basically sanitized the whole area again. They also drop off these nice shampoo and body lotion. Okay, back to the room tour. So this is a King Executive Harbor View room. Now, I did not originally pay for this room. I paid for the cheapest room and I used my Platinum Elite status to get the upgrade. And they were very nice to give me the upgrade. Although there's a little incident that also happened. So they had originally confirmed this room, but this morning when I checked, the room had been some other room. They told me that they had given my room away to somebody else because I requested for early check-in. But that's still kind of weird. I never actually been to a hotel that gave me an upgrade, take it away, gave me something else that's lower. So thank you very much, JW Marriott, for following through, because that would really suck if I quote unquote get downgraded after I get upgraded. Hey guys, so I know you guys probably can't really see me right now, but that's okay. I just want to point out something that's really cool. So behind me is the main entrance to JW Marriott, but also over here, right in this courtyard, we have 3 other really nice hotels in Hong Kong. So let me show you guys. So over here, we have the Conrad, which we stayed at last time. And then over on this side, we have Shangri-La, which is also really nice. I've never been there myself. Maybe I should do a video next time. And over here on this side is the Upper House, which if you guys are familiar with TripAdvisor, Upper House has always been ranked one of the top hotels in Hong Kong. But today we're actually gonna focus on JW Marriott. So let's go take a look at their lobby.
The main lobby space is stunning. It's set over 4 different floors with multiple restaurants. Make sure to sign up for Marriott Bonvoy for faster service at check-in.
All right, good morning guys. So we're at the JW Cafe, which is where they serve their breakfast from 6:30 a.m. to 11 o'clock a.m. So let's go take a look. Breakfast, it's super nice, super delicious. It's one of the best I've had in one of the Hong Kong hotels here. Very, very nice. The dining area is spacious, can seat a lot of people. And then the selection is great, especially compared to across the street at Conrad. And I spoke to the manager on duty, and he told me that every morning there's a dim sum master that comes in to make all the dim sums fresh. And so that's really nice, because from what I see, a lot of the hotels would cut costs and they had just put out a lot of frozen food. Regardless if it's dim sum or hash browns, it's just all frozen. But it's nice that they actually have somebody who comes in every morning to make the dim sum for the guests. All right, guys, so I'm at the executive lounge. It looks really nice here, really swanky, much better looking than Conrad, oh my God. But the downfall is the food spread is very, very minimum. You'll see it in the video. But yeah, it's very nice atmosphere. I just hope they have a little more food, but I don't know. I haven't done the cocktail hour yet, so maybe the cocktail hour will be much better.
Unfortunately, the food spread during cocktail hour was still very limited. However, it's still nice to grab a drink before going out for the night.
Alright guys, so I'm at the entrance from the MTR station, and as you can see, it's after hours, so it's locked. But normally during the day, it's actually open, and you can definitely come in through here. It has direct mall access as well, so very convenient. And over here we have the gym, and the gym I believe is 24 hours. So anyone with key card can actually gain access to the gym.
While the pool remains open during the pandemic, it does get shut down during thunderstorms, so it's still best to call and ask ahead of time.
Anyways, back to the room tour. So, okay, harbor view room, very nice. I like the corner design here. And if actually I can show you here, so every room, if you can see it through the shadows, every room has a corner over here and also over here. So I like this design. So every room has sort of like a corner. So you have two big windows looking out towards the Victoria Harbor. So that's pretty unique. So very nice view here. Definitely has the real harbor view. And they gave me complimentary tea and fruit. Over here, there's a cake for us. Very nice. Speaking of COVID, we got the COVID kid. Large TV, which is really nice. King bed, very nice. Wallpaper, I'm not sure about the design. Alarm clock, pretty standard. And if you can actually see the buttons here, so this is the button for the light. The button actually really tells you the age of the room. I like to kind of guess what's the age of the room, and normally I just use the buttons. Actually, if you actually look at the buttons, you'll see that this room is actually quite old. I need to look it up exactly when this hotel was built, but yeah, if you just look at these switches, yeah, I almost want to bet that this room is older than the Conrad that we stayed at in the last video. But let's carry on. The bathroom here, the amenities looks very nice, but still I love the Conrad Shanghai Tang amenity. Yes, those are just the best. I'm pretty sure these are great too though. So over here, got the toilet, the shower, no ring shower. That also shows the age. So that's where we found the bandaid. Got a tub here, nice size, nothing spectacular. Towels, hair dryer. Over here we have the Nespresso machine, very nice. 4 pots, very good. TWG tea packs. Those are all really nice. We have the safe here. Safe is also old. And the mini fridge. Not going to use that because I can just go to the lounge. With Platinum Elite status, we get access to the lounge for the entire stay. In the closet here, robe looks pretty nice. I'm gonna try it later. Slipper, which is standard in Asian countries. Umbrella, nice. It's been raining. And this is it. All right, there you have it, guys. The room tour. So what do you guys think? Good? Bad? Leave a comment below. Also, let me know if you guys like this room better or the room at the Conrad. I know last time I got a suite upgrade. We didn't get a suite upgrade this time, but just let me know like what you think about the decoration, what you think about the old buttons and the view. Let me know. All right, guys, so there you have it, the JW Marriott here in Hong Kong. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. I really, really want to know because this is sort of like an interesting video because of the incidents. Guest relations manager, they flagged me down at the executive lounge and they came and apologized to me. So the first thing I told them was that, you know, it's fine. Please do not give the cleaning lady a hard time because I would hate to jeopardize somebody's job during the pandemic. That's the last thing I want. Main question is, would I come back? I sort of try to ask myself this question during my stay, my 2-night stay, and I have to say I'm 50-50. The incident definitely leaves a bad taste in your mouth. I'm just not sure if I want to, given that there's so many choices in Hong Kong. Overall, I really enjoyed my stay. My room, it was upgraded. I got free breakfast. I got free lounge access, all because I'm a Platinum Elite member. So definitely sign up, definitely earn points. This video is not sponsored by Marriott at all, just to make that clear. It's just my personal experience. And so, guys, if you like my video, if you think that this is a good video, please hit that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. It really helps the channel at no cost to you. So thanks again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.